There is a viral cough doing the rounds. Symptoms include coughing up phlegm, fatigue, headache, and because it's viral, antibiotics won't do a thing. It can take a couple of weeks to clear, and the best way to treat it is plenty of rest, plenty of fluids, and to make some honey and lemon drinks. Remember, honey isn't suitable for kids under the age of 1, but even taking a teaspoon of honey for older children and adults can really soothe the throat, particularly if the cough is tickly. Steam inhalations are great. Add some boiling water to a pot, put some eucalyptus or albus oil into it, head over the pot, towel over the head, coming up regularly for air. Steamy showers can give relief. When my kids were small, I used the Vicks warm mist humidifier, bought it in Argos. To fill it with water, I'd add a couple of drops of eucalyptus oil and then leave it plugged in beside their cot, but not anywhere where they could reach it, for their naps, and then maybe for an hour or two after they went to bed at night time. Don't leave it on all night or you'll wake up and the wallpaper will have peeled off the walls, but it definitely gave them a little bit of relief. Follow me for more straight talking health tips.